Next topic is filter and transitions in HTML. In HTML, filters and transitions are key concepts that are often used in combination with CSS, cascading style sheet, to create visual effects and improve user interaction. In the previous class, we have discussed regarding the CSS, cascading style sheet. सो जैसा पावर पॉइंट में अपन जो है सो बैकग्राउंड फॉन्ट साइज जो जैसा अपन देते एनिमेशंस वैसा अपन HTML में वेबसाइट पेज को क्रिएट करने के लिए देते. तो HTML फिल्टर अपने को एक ऑप्शन है एंड ट्रांसिशंस, फिल्टर एंड ट्रांसिशंस बोल के ये की कॉन्सेप्ट है, ये जो कॉम्बिनेशन विथ CSS के साथ यूज़ होते. तो ये क्या के लिए यूज़ होते हैं? टू क्रिएट विजुअल इफेक्ट्स एंड इम्प्रूव यूजर इंटरेक्शन के लिए. फिल्टर एंड ट्रांसिशंस प्ले एन इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन क्रिएटिंग मल्टीमीडिया इफेक्ट्स. मल्टीमीडिया इफेक्ट्स के लिए फिल्टर एंड ट्रांसिशंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते. दे प्रोवाइड डायनामिक विजुअल इफेक्ट्स टू वेब पेजेस. नॉर्मल एक वेब पेजेस को लोग कैसा बना देते बाय यूजिंग द फिल्टर एंड ट्रांसिशन इन HTML. द विजुअल इफेक्ट्स देते लोग वेब पेजेस को विदाउट एनी टाइम डिले. नाउ विल डिस्कस फिल्टर इन HTML. फिल्टर्स आर ग्राफिकल इफेक्ट्स. Filters are the graphical effects applied to HTML, such as images, text, or diffs. They allow you to images and text and diffs how the page should be exist. They allow you to manipulate the appearance of elements using the filter property in CSS. So by using this filter property, how the appearance will be there, we can discuss in the see in that filter in HTML. It is used to apply visual effects. The main concept of using this filter in HTML is to apply the it is used to apply the visual effects only to some HTML objects and some other objects like button, div, image, span, table, etc. In HTML, filters are usually applied to text and graphics. HTML filters are usually applied for text के लिए भी and graphics के लिए भी अपन इसको use करते हैं. Now these are the effect and description. You have to write this as it is. Effect description. This table you have to write it in the exam. Flip edge. This creates horizontal mirror image. Flip P. It creates vertical mirror image. Blur causes an object to be in a state of motion. Next, wave generates a wave like distortion to an object. Chroma causes a color to appear become transparent. Glow adds a glow effect around an object. Gray style turns an object to gray style. Invert create inverse of the object. Mask creates a transparent mask from the given non-transparent pixel. Shadow creates a shadow behind the object. Now this is the filter function we have. Flip H, braces bracket, semicolon, image src. This as it is you have to write is equal to slash desktop image dot jpg. This file extension we have to write dot jpg. Alt, error, width 100, height 100, style, filter. Now we have to close. In this way, for this everything, this is the first one I have written. Now same like that you have to write for same for all. That means flip H. Next you have to write here flip P. Flip P. Then we have to close this like in the same way. Blur, image, src, height, wave like that. Then you have to close. For everything, for the 10 points of this effects you have to write this same. Now next we have transmission in HTML. Transmissions are used to create smooth animations between states when properties change. Now transitions क्या के लिए यूज करते हैं अपन? टू क्रिएट स्मूथ एनिमेशंस के लिए जब प्रॉपर्टीज चेंज करते हैं अपन. ट्रांसिशंस आर फिल्टर्स है, ये भी एक दिस इज ऑल्सो ए टाइप ऑफ फिल्टर ओनली that provide effects to the contents of web page. Transitions are also filters that provide effects to the contents of the web page. They are responsible for visually change the control, moving a page, to move a page, to control the page. We use these transitions from one state to another. They provide time-based effects also. Based on the time also, we can use this transition in HTML, thereby allowing the users to create animation to images. Next, properties of transitions in HTML. Transition property specify which property to animate. Transition in duration we can give is defines the time for the transition. Transition timing will be there. Function specify the speed curve of the transition. And transition delay adds a delay before the animation starts. Now types of transition filter. There are two types are there. Reveal transition filter, The reveal transition filter, written as reveal trans. When we are using this reveal transition filter, we have to write it as reveal trans is applied to multiple visual objects together in order to show or hide them. So this reveal transition filter written as reveal trans, and it is applied for multiple visual objects together in order to show or hide them. For that syntax we have to write style inverted comma filter semicolon reveal trans duration transition is equal to transition shape close the bracket close with inverted commas. Now next we have blend transition filter that blend transition. The blend transition filter written as blend trans is applied to visual object to fade or fade out for the certain time limit. For that we have syntax style start with inverted commas filter semicolon blend trans duration, only we have to write it here. Now conclusion, filter and transitions enhance the visual appeal. For that the main purpose of using the filter and transition in HTML is to enhance the visual appeal and interactivity of a website. Filter adjusts the appearance of elements while transition make these adjustments visually smooth, creating a polished user experience.